Hey there! Welcome back to SkillsForge Pro, your go-to place for quick and easy design tips. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a beautiful shadow to any element in Canva. I've got this bright yellow sugarcane juice right here. It looks good, but let's make it pop even more with a shadow. First, just click on the element to select it. Then hit Edit and head over to the FX section. Now under Shadows, we're going to choose the Drop Shadow. Instant depth. But we're not stopping there. You can also play around with the blur, adjust the angle of the shadow, and even change the shadow color to match your design. Let's do the same with this sliced kiwi. Just a few tweaks, and there we go. Now everything looks much more dynamic and eye-catching. And that's it. Super simple, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment to let us know what Canva tricks you love to learn next. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video from SkillsForge Pro. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.